Hello, let us continue with the AZ204 Implement Azure App Service Web App Learning with the Explore Azure Web App section. We will continue where we left off. This brings us to Unit 7, where we have an exercise to create a static HTTP web app using Azure Cloud Shell. Verify your account. Please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. Start puzzle. Match the number of rocks with the number on the left. 2. Okay, submit. There we go. We are verified and our sandbox has been created. Microsoft Learn needs your permission to create Azure resources. For more information, check troubleshooting page guide. Review permission. All right, now the sandbox has been activated. Time remaining is 3 hours 59 minutes. You have used one of 10 sandboxes for today. More sandboxes will be available tomorrow. Okay, the free sandbox allows you to create resources in a subset of Azure global regions. Select a region from the following list when you're creating a resource. West US 2, South Central US, Central US, East US, West Europe, Southeast Asia, Japan East, Brazil South, Australia Southeast, Central India. In this exercise, you will deploy a basic HTML plus CSS site to app service Azure App Service by using the Azure CLI AZ Web App Up command. You'll then update the code and redeploy it using the same command. The AZ Web App Up command makes it easy to create and update web apps. When executed, it performs the following: creates a default resource group if one isn't specified, okay, creates a default app service plan, okay, creates an app with the specified name, okay, zip deploy deploy files from the current working directory to the web app, okay. So we can run a easy web app command, and this command will create and update web apps, but there are some activities it does in the background. So there is a create a default resource group if one isn't created, then create a default app service plan, create an app with a specific name, zip deploy files from the current working directory to app web app. Okay, fine. Mhm. Download the same sample app. Download the sample app. In this section, you'll use the sandbox to download the sample app and set variables to make some of the commands easier to enter. In the sandbox, create a directory and then navigate to the directory. Okay, that is mkdir html app. Okay, that is make directory html app. Okay, and I will cd into the html app directory. Run the following git command to clone the sample app repo to your HTML app directory. Sure, that is git clone https github.com Azure samples HTML docs hyphen hello hyphen world dot git repository has been cloned. Set variables to hold the resource group and the app name by running the following commands. Okay, resource group equal to dollar $az group list. Yes, app name is hyphen random. Okay, resource group group equals to dollar $az group list very dot id dot name is hyphen o to a file. Okay, what happens if I just type this? It says invalid command. Okay, next command app name. We're gonna keep our app name AZ204 and put some random characters on it. Okay, I think echo would work. App name, yeah, it just echoed app name. Great. Okay, I don't know the command. We'll look at it in the future. Okay, so we have made a directory, clone a repository, and set few variables like the resource group and the app name. Create the web app. Okay, change the directory that contains the sample code and change to the directory that contains the sample code. Okay, but and run the AZ web app command. Sure. So I can go to cd html dot docs hello world directory has been changed and I can go AZ web app up and I can give it the resource group using the resource group of the that we have set on top and the name using the app name we have set on top and hyphen hyphen html. This command takes a few minutes to run. While the command is running, it displays similar information. Okay, I'll run the web app. So we gave it a name. The resource group was not required. It would create one, but I guess it's fine. Creating app service plan. It takes an updating if one is already existed. Okay. Uh, Looks like the region has a quota one instance for your subscription. You try a different region or SKU. Okay, that is sad. I am not sure what went wrong, but looks like region is a problem, but I never specified a region. This okay. Let's try running the command again, and if it does not work, we try debugging it. Okay, so I will try to see what is up with this. Uh, Getting a deployment error, search web portals queue. Okay, okay, queue. So maybe I have to change the region. Okay, um, AZ web app up specify region. Okay, in this case, AZ web app. Easy web app up, up, up. Easy web app up, 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 up. Region is location. Yeah, location is there. L location. Create a web app in a specific region by running the command from the folder that exists. Okay, so we can use the same command and just say L and give it a location. And in this case, let's say I choose East US. Ah, and it's still not doing. This queue has to be the free one. I don't think we can. Okay, then let's try adding a SKU and let's say free. The region has quota of one instance for a subscription. Try selecting a different region. Maybe the region is, I can change the region. Region, let's go East US to. Um, East US2 is not a valid region. Okay, so maybe it is case sensitive. Ta 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 ta. West US2 I used. West US2 is a region according to the docs. Yeah, yeah. What did you type? Ah, I goofed up the spelling. Okay, okay. So now in this case, let's see if it works. All right, it's creating the web app. Great. So West US2 works. Great. Okay, so now it's going to take some time and it's going to create the app service. Okay. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the app service. Yeah, the name that it is this is the name of app service. And it's https://appservicename.azuresites.net. Okay, and verify the app is running. Take note of the title at the top of the page. Leave the browser open on the app. Okay, All right, so I have the URL right here. So I will just copy that URL and open. Looks like the site is up. And okay, since the site is up, I will go back and continue with the exercise. Update and redeploy the app in the Cloud Shell. Type code index.html. Oh, it has the ability to open VS Code. I did not know that. Switch to classic. This feature is not available. Confirm. Switching to classic Cloud Shell for some reason. Okay, I think I'll have to navigate the directories again. I'll just list the directory. Okay, I'll have to cd into HTML app and then go to HTML docs, docs, hello world, then go code index.index, index.html, and it has opened it up. Nice. Now, in the H1 heading tag, change the Azure App Service instance to Azure App Service updated hyphen or to anything else that will updated by RDE. Okay, and yeah, sure. And save it. Okay, Control S to save the doc. Use the command and Control Q to exit. That was easy. Okay, cool. Now redeploy your app with. Okay, sure. Let's redeploy it. AZ web app, web app up, web app up. Hopefully my resource group is parameter is still there and it did not blow up when we restart. Oh, that's going to be fun if it blew up. HTML, it blew up. Oh, great. So I looks like I have to set my parameters again. Let's go. Resource group. It is the group list query, query, open bracket. Ah, let's see if the command. Yeah. Ah, colon. Oh, but it now this will create new. Okay, but this will not deploy to my old app in that case, right? But now I did not get the region issue. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, the Cloud CLI is handling it, but yeah, for sure, it's now going to create a new app, so I'm going to get a new URL. Okay, okay. Once deployment is completed, switch back to the browser and create the web app by with the once deployment is completed, switch back to the browser from step 2 in the create the web app section above and refresh the page. Okay, so now if I can copy this guy and if I paste it here, definitely the URL is different and it's going to have my latest text, yeah, updated by RDE, and I can go with code index.html, and maybe I can just say again save file, quit file, and I can just use the command lazy web app again. And now already exists, so it does not have to do anything. It just has to go ahead and deploy the code. And that was fun actually. Cool. Interesting. Creating web app, downloading the source code, keeping a name for the resource group and the app name, seeding into the source code, web app up this and creating into this and going ahead and refreshing and again, yeah. Okay, I think with that we are done with this unit. Let's go to the next unit, knowledge check. Knowledge check unit. Okay, check your knowledge. Which of the following app service plan category provides the maximum scale out capability? Scale out capability in terms of compute and network will be isolated. Which of the following network features of app service can be used to control outbound traffic? Ouch. So app uh, assigned address, outbound traffic, service endpoint. I think hybrid connections. Not sure though. Okay, that's good. I got them both correct. The second one I guessed. Okay, summary. In this module, you learn how to In this module, you learned how to describe an app service plan, components and values, explain how app service manages authentication and authorization, identify methods to control inbound and outbound traffic to your deploy code. Okay, I will complete the module. Great. And I have my achievements, and now I can go to the other modules, but I still want to check one more thing. Can I go previous? Yes, I would like to go to discovering network features, hybrid connection, outbound features here, hybrid connection. This was this restriction service endpoint, private endpoints are the features. Okay. All right. With this, we wrap up this module on exploring web app services.